Hey guys, next video for you. We are going to be changing the spark plugs in my car, and that is because I am on E85. Now most people usually suggest I believe it's 96507s if I'm not mistaken, the NGKs. But I bought these German specific NGKs. These right here, they're actually from BMW. As you see, where's the NGK logo? Oh, I think it's on the spark plug itself. But anyways, these are NGKs. SILZK BR8 F8S. So these are the E85 spark plugs. And I just want to prove that these are NGKs. If it will focus. NGKs. Now they do need to be gapped. I gapped them to 0.020. But I didn't really videotape that. You guys can find plenty of tutorials online on how to gap them. So I pre-gapped them, and then I'm going to start putting them in the car. All right, so we're going to get started. You want to remove the plastic covers, and then the brace, and then the under brace over there, and then there's some plastic underbody panels on this side that you have to remove. So we're going to remove all that, and then start working on the spark plugs. We're getting to this nonsense right here. Okay, progress update. Got the brace out, got the two covers out. I still need to remove that brace. I got one of the charge pipes out. And then you'll notice that I covered the inlet right there. So nothing falls in. It's still a little bit hot, so I'm not trying to go too far into this before I burn myself. Yeah, you don't want to take the spark plugs out when it's hot. So I'm still letting it cool down, but I'm removing all the exterior parts. That way I can get to everything easily before pulling the spark plugs. Alright, so taking it all apart, we got screws and bolts everywhere. There's the back brace and then the back cover. So the back cover is one piece. As you see, it came out, and then you had the brace above that. Got all these in order. We'll want to make sure we put them back in order in case there's any issues. And as you see here, there's spark plugs in there. And we'll start slowly replacing these once the car cools off. It's still a little hot, so I'm gonna show you guys the new spark plug. This is the new one, if it will focus. Alright, so this is the new one. Still not focusing for some odd reason. Let me try to have a... Alright, so that's a new one. As you can tell, very good gap. Each one of these had different gaps for some reason. These were the old ones. See, they just look different. And then these are the OEM ones. So I'm not quite sure if the previous owner was running a tune and didn't have these gapped right or what. But that's probably why I had this weird idle when I switched to FlexFuel. These were looking rough. So, got the new ones. Like I said, going in, I gapped it. It's very clean. So it should work a lot better. So I actually just started up. I finished it up, put it all together. The idle was a little better. I'm still getting some minor hiccup, but I'll start it up again. So for some reason, I think apparently when you're on FlexFuel and you have GTS Roar and cold start on, it has weird idles. But we'll see, because I actually just started up already, if it'll even have an issue. Yep, there it goes. So I was having this issue before on the previous plugs. Hopefully it's just because of how much E I'm using. I just need to fine tune it. Yeah. Sort of weird. If you have any insight on this weird idle, comment below. maybe I can try some of y'all's fixes. I was editing some videos and I realized I didn't close some out, so this one will be for the spark plugs. Yeah, so closing out the video, just so you know, the spark plugs actually ended up helping quite a bit. The sky looks nice. The spark plugs did help quite a bit. Also coating the car helped a lot. So recoding the car with the most recent update fixed a lot of issues with communication with the FlexFuel module. So that actually really helped. And then I removed the cold start because you don't need cold start if you don't have cats, and the idle is perfect now. So just a heads up, if anybody has any problems with idle, make sure you do that.